Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn about how to find common and uncommon values between two lists in Uipath. So now let's go to the Uipath studio and create the workflow for that. So here I'm opening the Uipath studio. As you can see the screen. Now we need to create a two list here as our requirement. So for creating a list, I'm using the assign activity here. So first I'm creating the control K list underscore one. This is the first variable for list. In the list, I'm providing the value new a space list of integer int 32. After that, again opening the bracket and while writing new int 32 open and close bracket curly brackets. In the curly bracket you can provide the value. So I'm providing value 1 3 4 6 7. So you can see here showing the error. So we need to change the variable type here. I'm taking a variable type is a list of a string. Again we need to create a another list here. So I'm creating the another list control K list underscore 2. In this list we need to provide the value. So I'm copying this and providing the same. I only need to change the value here. Control V. Okay. So in this we need to change the value. So you can see here I'm providing 1 3. So here I'm providing the 2 1 2 4 and 1 2 4 6. This is the value. Okay. So now again change the variable type here. So we have already created a two list here. So now we check how to find common and uncommon value. So firstly see how to find the common values. So in the both list, uh, which number is common? So you can see here 1 3 4 6 7. 1 and 4 is common to both list. 1 4 and 6, and here is also 6. Yeah, 1 4 6. Three number are common in the both. So now how can find that? So here I'm using for each activity, and in the for each activity I'm providing here the expression list dot list one dot inter intersect of list underscore 2. Now here I'm printing the message. In the message box I'm providing the item dot to a string. Okay, now we can save the workflow and run the process. What is the value coming? So now I have run the workflow. You can check the value 1 4 and 6. That's it. So it's giving the correct result. These three numbers are common in the both list. So now we can check how to find the uncommon values. So copy this activity and again paste below, and we can change here as well. So I'm now again taking the new activity. So in the expression only you need to change the function name. So here changing the except one dot except of list 2. So now this is for uncommon values. Okay, so now we can again run this flow and check the result. So if you want to you can disable these activities, because also showing the pop-up, so you can here only disable control D. Okay, control S and run this flow. So 3 7, two numbers are different in the both list. You can see here 3 and 7 present in the first list, but in the below list you can see 3 and 7 are not available. So this is the uncommon values. So I hope you understand both the things, how to find common and uncommon values in Uipath. If you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. Thanks for watching this video.